How many of you grew up wishing that you had a superpower? Super speed, super strength, invisibility? What if I told you that humans do, in fact, have a superpower? Today, I'd like to tell you about how music has more of an impact than you may have realized. Music in a therapeutic setting can improve people's lives by motivating and influencing positive behaviors and mindsets within people of all ages. Music in a therapeutic setting has physical health benefits, mental health benefits, and improvements in social behaviors and cognitive function. Now, I understand many of you have not been to music therapy. But how many of you have been dancing to music at a party? Listening to music while you do chores? Listening to music while you study? All of which are cases where music has improved and impacted your life more than you may have not realized. Historically, musicians played for soldiers and veterans of the World Wars who had experienced a positive emotional response to the music. There was a clear improvement on mood, the individual's outlook on life, and their pain levels. And that's pretty incredible. First, I'd like to teach you about some of the physical health benefits music can sometimes have. Improved range of motion. In 2017, there was a Parkinson's patient who worked with a music therapist for 60 days. Parkinson's is a disorder of the central nervous system that affects movement, often including tremors. Sometimes this is referred to as a stiffness disease. This study concluded that the client experienced increased motivation, self-confidence, and improved motor control. One of the cool things that she was taught was how to focus on walking to a specific rhythm or counting out loud while walking, which is very important for somebody who has little control over their body. And over the course of 60 days using music therapy, they're basically able to walk again. It takes a lot of hard work and a lot of focus, but it's definitely improvement. Improved awareness of the body and hand-eye coordination. Dr. Crane wrote about a treatment for children with autism. This study concluded that compared to non-musical play sessions, music therapy significantly increased joint attention during and after the session. Here you see a picture of 4 children playing with what are called boomsticks, which make a note when you hit it against something. This activity focuses on the wrist, the elbow, and the shoulders, which is very important for a child with autism, as they are not very aware of their body. They are oftentimes seen flailing or hitting when it's not appropriate. This activity has helped them focus on how they are moving and be aware that they have an arm that can hit people. So, another cool thing is that marathon runners actually listen to specific workout music when they are running to keep focus and keep negative thoughts out of their brain. Now that you have an idea of how music can play a significant role in your physical health, let's talk about how it affects your mental health. So, decreased overall negative thoughts and emotions. In a study done in 2015 at a mental institution, Barton concluded that patients who received the musical intervention had a 50% reduction in anxiety and depression symptoms, according to standard tests, which is a very large improvement compared to other things. Helping cope in stressful situations. This picture is of a mother who had COVID-19 when she was about to give birth. They had to do an emergency C-section, but they could not be with the mother. The baby could not be with the mother because the mother was sick. Music therapists were able to help the mother and the baby cope while being separated through music that contained the two's heartbeat. So they recorded both heartbeats and created lullabies for both of them to listen to help them feel connected. So now that you're familiar with some of the mental health benefits music can have, I'd like to tell you about the improvements we have seen in social behaviors and cognitive function. So again, children with autism have difficulty understanding social cues and when behavior is appropriate. Music therapy has techniques tied to music that motivate and promote positive behaviors that help teach the children the skills they may be lacking. One activity that has been done is where a small group each takes turns creating some kind of music rhythm, and then they are given a short amount of time to respond. And then they go back to just listening. This cycle emulates how an actual conversation may occur. Here in this picture, a gentleman experienced a traumatic brain injury, TBI, in the military. His memory started to decline rapidly and was unable to recall information. After starting music therapy, he was able to remember guitar riffs and song lyrics without even thinking about it. After hearing some of the different benefits that music can offer, I'll move on to my summary. Music can be motivational and help you want to move. Music can soothe and improve mental health states. When finely tuned, music can assist in improving important life skills that some may be lacking. So the next time you're feeling down or just want something fun, try throwing on some music and dancing around your room. You may feel silly, but so does Superman when he first learns he can fly. Thank you.